Welcome to this ClickFunnels review and tutorial. If you want to follow along and test it yourself, you can select one of the affiliate links in the description below, which really helps support this channel at no extra cost. When you first log into your account, you'll see a home page that gives you some tasks and to-do items to get started. The first thing we're going to look at is funnels, which is what ClickFunnels is all about. Creating funnels is using templates, and Smart Funnel Builder uses AI and your branding to customize a funnel and start writing the content for you. I'll show you both options, but first we're going to use the Smart Funnel Builder. So it gives you a few different templates to choose from of which type of funnel you want to build. For this option, I'm going to choose opt-in, which is a lead funnel, and then I'll hit next. Now you can add a brand color if you already have one by entering the RGB colors, or you can click around and choose a color. You can also choose style, which is blocky, colorful, or rounded. For this option, I'll just go with rounded and hit next. Next, you can choose what type of imagery you want on your funnel. You can do 3D, flat illustration, or stock photos. For this option, I will choose isometric 3D because I'm curious of how that will turn out. And then I'll hit next. Now you can add some details to give the AI information on what copy to add to your funnel. So I just added a brief prompt, and I will select professional tone and hit create. And now it will start generating my template based on my branding and the prompt that I gave the AI. Now the funnel generation is complete, and I'm going to select customize now. So as you can see, the funnel has two pages, the squeeze page and thank you page. To edit either one, you just click into it and it will take you to the page where you can customize it. So the nice thing about the Smart Funnel Builder is the AI prompt that you entered in actually helps create the content for the page. So now it already generated content, very editable, very customizable, and very easy. And the AI makes it really nice to have a starting point with content. You can also edit the thank you page. Here you can see some of the isometric 3D images that it added here. And this is the same way, very customizable. Just click in, edit the content right there, and it's very easy to edit. Now we're going to select the create funnel option so you can see how that works. It's very similar to the Smart Funnel Builder, but it just doesn't generate content for you or images. So you can select from a few different templates. There's lead funnels, unboxing, presentation, phone, and other funnels to choose from. You can also just select start from scratch. For this example, I'm going to choose lead funnels. It will take you to a page where it will have some videos from the founder with information about this type of funnel, and it will show you the different pages, and you can browse templates or start from scratch. For this option, I'm going to select this first funnel. Once the funnel is ready, you can select customize now, and it's taken me to a page that's very similar to what we saw before. So it will show you the different pages, the squeeze page and thank you page for this template. To edit, you just select into the page. And you'll see it's a very similar system to the Smart Funnel Builder. You can just click in and edit content. You can change photos, edit the title, and add sections or delete sections just like you would. The main difference is that it's not tailored to your branding and it doesn't have AI generated content to get started. Very similar features. It just kind of depends on what you want. If you really want to customize it 100% and add all of your own content, this is a great option. Whereas the Smart Funnel Builder is more for an easier starting point using AI. Let's look at some other options of ClickFunnels. One of them is actually website hosting. So let's go to workspace settings. If you want to create a domain or connect a domain, you can hit domains and go to add domain. So this is where you would add an existing domain or get a free one. If you select get free domain, it will give you the option to search for a name to see if it's available. So if it is available, you just select make it yours and it will take you through the steps to get that domain set up. If you want to edit your web pages, the best place to go is themes. It automatically installs a theme for you, but if you want to try a different theme, you would just select add new theme. As you can see, they're categorized into different types of themes. You can just select the one that you like the most, and it gives you a preview here where you can see what the pages would look like. And this is still customizable for your colors and branding. If you want to create your branding, you would go to styles and then select new style, and then you can give it a name and select create style. So once you have a style created, you can go into customize designs, and this is where you can change the font and colors, borders, buttons, anything to really customize the look and feel of your website. If you already have a PDF or courses that you've created, you would go to My Assets and you can go to Downloads if you have any sort of PDF or ebook that you want to upload, or you would go to Course Videos if you want to upload your course videos into here. Some other features of ClickFunnels are products and customers. So if you click on products, this is where you can add a product page. So all you need to do is go to create product, or you can add from Zendrop if you have that already. So select create product. You can select digital or physical, and then bundle once you've created more than one product. Once you've typed in your product name and description, you would select create product. You can set the price to whatever you want it to be. You can also choose subscription or payment plan. For this example, I'll just do a one-time payment at $27 and set the price. This is your product page. You can change the name, description, add images by selecting images, and it actually has a very large library of images to choose from, or you can upload them. You can adjust pricing, add a SKU, purchase options, variants. You can edit SEO and sharing, and fully customize your product page from here. If you go to collections, this is where you would create a collection of products, and inventory is where you manage your product inventory. If you select customers, you can see your contact list. If you already have a contact list, you can select import to import a CSV file, or you can add contacts manually. If you have people sign up with their email address through your funnel, this is where their names will go. You can segment your customer lists by adding a segment, and imports is an additional place where you can import a CSV file. Orders is where you would manage your orders and payments, invoices, fulfillments, and also see people who have started the process but abandoned it. The Learn and Connect Center is where you can learn a lot more about ClickFunnels. If you want to add an app, you can select Add Apps and select the category of app that you want. And this helps build out ClickFunnels to be exactly what you need it to be for your business needs. As far as pricing goes, there are a few different pricing options for ClickFunnels. There's the Launch, Scale, Optimize, and Dominate plans. In the description below, I also have a deal where you can get 3 months for $99. I highly recommend that option because it saves you a lot of money and gives you 3 months to really get started without a high monthly cost. So that covers this tutorial for ClickFunnels. The goal here is to easily build an effective sales funnel that actually converts, so you can stop jumping between apps and start earning money with your offers. Make sure to subscribe to Modern Digital Empire for more tutorials and software deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.